I'm here in Sweden standing next to the Vasa, a massive wooden ship that sank in 1628 and was brought back to the surface in 1961. What's so fascinating about the story of the Vasa to me is that after it was in water for over 300 years, you'd think that the first thing to do is dry it out. No, absolutely not. Wood is made from trees. Trees are plants. Plants have cells. And these cells in the wood of the Vasa were filled with water. And the surface tension of water is strong enough that were they to have just dried out this ship, these cells would have collapsed, thus causing the wood to crack and shrink. So instead, they continuously sprayed it with water and then switched over to continuously spraying it with a preservative called polyethylene glycol. They sprayed it with polyethylene glycol for nearly 20 years, and the polyethylene glycol replaced the water inside of the cells of the wood, thus preventing it from cracking and shrinking. I think it's a really interesting example of applied science that is simple to understand, and that applied science is still at work today. For example, this ship was designed to float in water, and it's not floating in water. It is on these little support structures, and that is concentrating the weight of the ship into specific points. So they're trying to design a better support system. They are trying to control temperature and humidity, which is challenging because there's weather that changes and there's visitors that come in and out. This entire place, I thought it was just a history museum. It's a science museum. It's about the science of preservation, and it's so interesting. I wish this was something we learned about in the United States in school.